January 24th, exactly 1 month after Christmas. It's winter and it's Saturday, and I just want to show you. Try to look here. This is right behind our house here. And up there behind these trees there is a big hill. We call it the mountain. It's not really a mountain, it's a hill. But we can walk all the way down here to the lake, to Carnahan, to the north end, and then that's the evacuation route in case of tsunami, because we live in a tsunami flood zone. So if we have a tsunami, that's our evacuation route, to run up on that hill here behind our house. So that's what we are going to do today, Nicole and I. So we are ready to go. It's a wonderful day today.
Yep.
The sun is shining, even though it's winter. It's January.
I'm cold. I got 2 jackets on.
Oh man. Yeah, it was cold last night. I was driving out to Randall on Highway 12 in Washington. It was freezing out there. At the end where we can see there's a guy going far down there. That's where we turn left and go down to Carnahan. That's the north end of Cullaby Lake. And from there we can climb the mountain. So that would be a challenge for today. Here halfway down to the lake, I just saw we have like a canal, and that's where from the homeowner association we have access to the lake. We can launch kayaks and stuff here from this canal here, and then we can go out into the lake. But look what has just happened. This bridge here goes over the Skipanen River, and the Skipanen River is the river that goes down behind our house. Take a look here. You can see the overflow. Water is coming out here from the lake. That's Cullaby Lake. And the north end here is called Carnahan. And then if we go down to the other side here, this is the river where it runs down behind our house. And it goes all the way down to the marina in Warrenton. That's where it runs out. Comes out into the Columbia River. You see, it's a beautiful place here by the lake. I just love that area. Nicole, she's already over there, ready to get up to the hill. There's some guys golfing down there, practicing golf. But that should bring us up high enough in case of a tsunami warning. They say if we get the alert, then we have about 20 minutes to get up here. So let's grab the dogs. The most important things. Just run to get up here. We have like 5 minutes from our house to the base of this. Then a little bit to get to top. Man, we get out of breath here. Because this is steep. We need to practice some more. Some steps. And I brought my drone as well. So that when we get to the top, maybe I can put the drone up in the air. It'll be fun if I can get it up between the trees. It's a challenge here. Look at this.
It's part of
it goes up
our
and
total
up and up.
health plan, our health journey.
Yeah.
Not only do we eat healthy, but we also need to get fitter.
Yeah. No heavy exercise. We can go for a hike like this. I think this is the top point right here.
I think so. it is.
Wow. We went up to the top over there, went a loop, it went downhill, and now it's up again before we go down again. There's a lot of up and downs on this trail here. You get your exercise in, that's for sure.
At least it's a good start.
Yeah. There's lots of traces of elk and deer. You can see they have been walking here on these trails. Oh man, Nicole made the most delicious dinner here before we left.
Yeah, it was pretty tasty.
It was like a cabbage
Steak.
And then you had, it was some kind of chicken on top.
It was a chicken breast that I had marinated overnight in a little bit of sesame seed oil and low sodium soy sauce with just a little bit of pepper and paprika.
Oh, it tasted so delicious.
And then you just place it on top of the cabbage and bake it.
And then you have been experimenting with candy and ice cream and all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, we're going to have some fudge, pseudo fudge.
Yeah.
When we're done with this hike.
Woo. That is made.
From our fuelings.
To plan, yeah. From our fuelings.
To plan.
Yeah.
So. And then it's been a experiment kind of day. Everything is healthy that I made. High protein, low fat.
Yeah.
All specs are according to the health plan.
It's one of these places I love to go drone flying from down here. You have the whole lake here to fly on. So beautiful here. So peaceful.
It is so funny. You just walk a little bit further back and then you can't hear the ocean.
No.
Or Highway 1.
Go down here to the little pier down here. Pontoon thing is floating. This is a really good place to fly drones from. Start here.